What's up guys, Odie Bakshis here, Pro Formula D driver, also president of Feal Suspension. We're going to talk about the 441 coilover. This is a monotube shock. That means that the nitrogen and oil is completely separate. There's actually a dividing piston that separates the two. No foaming, high performance. Also, all of our 441 coilovers come with independent height adjustability. That means the lower mount is threaded onto the shock body and you can adjust the length of the shock completely independent of spring preload. So you can dial in droop, compression stroke without worrying about sacrificing the ride height. So these are assembled in USA, in-house, which means they're serviceable in USA. We have shock shaft seals, shock shafts, rod guides, everything in-house. We can service them through the lifetime of the shock. There's a few cool features loaded into our shocks. For example, on this McPherson strut, they obviously come with a camber plate, which is a standard feature for our 441 coilovers, but we also include a slot in one of the mounting holes which allows you to fine-tune the camber. I set the kingpin inclination angle via the top mount, and then I like to fine-tune the camber with this feature. And I figured, why not have this feature available to all of our customers? So these also come with a 1-year warranty. They are also modular, meaning if you want to upgrade to a 442, which is a 2-way adjustable shock, or a 443, which is a 3-way adjustable, we take the same shock that you invested into, we do some machining work in-house, we also add an external reservoir, and then you got a 442, 443. Very cool. You buy one shock, and then you just add features to it as you go. Some of the features that separate the 441 from other competitors is that there's much less friction than a lot of the stuff on the market on our 441 coilovers. The machining tolerances are great, meaning that the tolerance between the piston band and the shock body are precise, not too tight, not too loose, giving it that least amount of friction possible. Friction is the #1 enemy of shock tuning, and we work very hard to limit that because we know how to tune shocks. And there's also a huge benefit to our coilovers because they have more stroke than most of the coilover kits on the market. Stroke is awesome for ride comfort, but also helps a ton on the racetrack. The more shock stroke you have, the more wheel travel and suspension travel you have, less chances of limiting the mechanical stroke of the shock, means more traction. If you want to look up some of the other details on our shocks, our website is loaded. There's also some tech articles, so we encourage you to go fealsuspension.com. Also, give us a call or shoot us an email, and we'll be glad to help you out.